Do you crack your neck like this for instant relief? That cracking may be satisfying, but it's not fixing the real problem. That sound is actually gas releasing from the joints. Repeated forceful and self-cracking can cause increased stress on the joints and ligaments supporting the neck muscles. Over time, this can cause neck discomfort and reduce stability of the neck. Instead, try a simple chin tuck exercise. Pull your chin straight back and hold it for 3 seconds and relax. This helps increase the posture and reduce the strain on the neck muscles. If neck pain and stiffness keeps returning, get it evaluated properly.